Yo, this your boy Morekza Sanchez, but then you can call me King, cause I got the Ziiiiiiiing Wete. Okay, in today's video, I'll be like showing you the Vosho dance tutorial, showing you various moves of the Vosho, man, the Vosho. Alright, so yeah, let's get into the video, man. Okay, so first of all, Vosho is basically the point of like going down, you know, like anything, like you go down, even when you do with your head, like the head Vosho, like you go down. So I'm going to show you like a quick choreography about combining all the Voshos I can do. So yeah, let's go, man. Watch and learn. I'm about to show you about 5 to 6 Vosho dance moves right now. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, yeah, yeah, yeah. 1, 2, 3, and 4, yeah. 1, 2, 3, and 4, yeah. 1, 2, 3, and yeah. 1, 2, 3, and 4, yeah. 1, 2. Tutorial went wrong. 1, 2, yeah. Vosho of 2022. Yeah. Let me cook a moya. Let me cook it. 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 Yo. Let's repeat that shit. Yo. 1, 2, yeah. Vosho. device. Yo guys, I hope you enjoyed the freestyle. Damn, the Vosho can exhaust. It's so exhausting, but then it is the vice. You know, that's what it is. It is what it is, as they say. So yeah, without wasting time, guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share the love. You know, the vibes. Now see you next time for more vibes, for more king. Who's got the zing? Wait.